Everybody, this is Jonathan McGuire with Foundation Worx, and we're here for another quick Foundation Worx Minute. It's raining in Atlanta and your basement's leaking. So what are the things that you need to do to be prepared instead of calling a water restoration or calling the first waterproofing company that you can find on Google? Let's go through and try to figure out, troubleshoot, what may be causing your issues. Top 3 things in waterproofing a basement are gutters, downspouts, and grading. Check your gutters. Make sure they're flowing freely, they're properly sized. When's the last time you got them cleaned? Discharge on your gutters. Those are called the downspouts. Are your downspouts routed and piped away from your foundation? I usually tell people at least 6 or 8 feet away from your foundation. Good rule of thumb is however tall your basement is, that's how far you should route your downspouts away. And then grading. Is the ground slope towards your house or away from your house? If the ground slopes back towards your home, all of that water is going back towards your basement. You want to properly slope the foundation away from your house. Gutters, downspouts, and grading, your 3 best friends in waterproofing your basement before you call a waterproofer. This is Jonathan McGuire. This has been another Foundation Worx Minute. Thanks.